ready, just let me know. Which one? Case on the full case or the mixer one? OwensD224, another personal box 2014 Bowman Chrome. Last one out of that case. Good luck. Thank you again. Appreciate it, man. I'll pull something nice here. The full case. Yeah, we did that one. That one case was pretty nice. Had it Jordan signature kicks in there. And some big chase cards in there. It's just the overall checklist is not the greatest ever. It's typical for high-end UD, though, I think. Good luck, Owens. Thanks again, man. I do appreciate it. Best of luck to you here. Yeah, last box mojo. That's what I'm hoping for. So, alrighty. Got a Brian Dozier refractor, 454 of 500. Do a couple packs at a time when I check the back. Jumbo? What? Oh, for Super Fractor? He's talking about Super Jumbo. This Bowman draft has got Jumbo and Super Jumbo. Another way to get more money out of us. Air cards, yeah, I've been looking for those. Some of the variations and stuff sold pretty well. But an extra card in this pack, but nothing good. 5 cards instead of 4. Jordan, yeah, okay, yeah, I like it, K-Son. We did some cases you get 2 Jordans. Yeah, if you get a Jordan or LeBron, though, I mean those are big. Another extra card pack here, and still nothing fancy though. Extra base cards, sweet. Another extra card, and still nothing good. Right, they have some extra base lying around we need to get rid of. Just throw in some packs, people will be happy. I think they got something extra. At least they're not damaged. It's been a problem this year. Fire die cut is Chris Owings, not numbered. Chris Owings. They have autos on some of those, right? I haven't been able to pull any yet. Alright, you got something colored here for an auto. I saw a number on it. You want to look at that yet, or you want to go through a few more base packs or something? Or it's numbered at least. Bowman is back. Only Gary Carter, not numbered. Either way, alright. I'm doing like another pack or 2 and I'll jump over to it. So. Prime, yeah, that's, I always get, I mean it always sucks when you have a, oh there you go. Franklin Barreto. I don't know if that's error or SP or what, but it's something. Franklin Barreto. PSFB. See a number on there. Yeah, Panini Prime had a bunch of damaged cards straight out the case. Immaculate, actually. Immaculate is terrible. Immaculate basketball. Sucks when it's such a high-end product. You know, you're spending so much money and damaged cards. Raul Mondesi, blue. Yeah, okay, so I remember. 153 of 250. Blue Mondesi. Would have been a nice auto. Actually, I don't even He probably doesn't have autos in this year, so. Another card hidden behind there. All right, Dewell Lugo, green prospect, non-auto. 16 of 75. Mention that. Yeah, that was annoying, man. I just started writing the posts like most. Immaculate. There's some chipping. Those ink cards are really bad. Alright, let's take a look at your auto here. Let's see what you got. Good luck, man. Owens, appreciate you again. Alright, off the back. That is a refractor auto of Yimi Garcia. Yimi Garcia for the Dodgers. 124 of 500. Yeah, Bama for real. It was, yeah, immaculate baseball was. Makes me sad every time I mention it. 4 to go. 4 packs to go. 1 auto left. Doing die cuts, Colin Moran, Chris Bryant. I don't know if those are still selling. That was a $3 card a month ago anyway. Not bad for a little insert. Two packs left. Owens, thanks again, man. I do appreciate it. Hope we end you with something nice here. Jorge Soler. Mini fractor. The last pack. Another auto in here. Alright, off the back. Teddy Stankiewicz. Good luck. Last hit is base. Jacob Nottingham, base auto. Jacob Nottingham. Well, got a refractor auto at least. It's slightly better, but not what you're going for, probably. Sorry, Owens. So this box. Alright, man. Have a good night. Appreciate you again. You got Yimi Garcia, Jacob Nottingham for your hits. Also got colored stuff in there as well. Appreciate it, Owens. Have a good night, man. Thanks again.